A computer is an electronic device designed to process and store data, perform calculations, and execute various tasks based on a set of instructions, called a program. Computers are capable of carrying out a wide range of operations, such as arithmetic, logic, input/output operations, and data management. Key components of a computer include 1. Central Processing Unit, CPU, the brain of the computer, which performs calculations and executes instructions. 2. Memory, RAM, temporary storage used to hold data and instructions while the computer is running. 3. Storage. Devices like hard drives or SSDs that permanently store data and programs. 4. Input/output devices. Tools like a keyboard, mouse, monitor, and printer, which allow users to interact with the computer. Operating system, OS. Software that manages hardware resources and provides services for running applications. Computers come in various forms, such as personal computers, PCs, laptops, smartphones, and servers, each designed to perform specific types of tasks. For more updates and insights on computers and technology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.